I had some fun making these. These are multi-layered ornaments, and I got to test my precision, intricate scroll sawing skills. You got to say that slowly. scroll sawing skills. Anyway, tons of fun. I really like these, and I took a quick video while I was making them, but that's about all. You know, I'm still not sure if I'm going to paint these or not. Right now, I like the way they look, and you can see all the cool stuff, but maybe I'll put some acrylic on at least the sky in the background on the last disc. I don't know. I made them as a present for my wife Liz for Christmas, so we'll see what she says. She has better taste than I do. I keep forgetting to take pictures during the build, so on this one, I'm just going to take a couple of quick videos here. These are multi-layered Christmas ornaments, and they have 4 levels. I've spread them out now, and the one on the bottom is finished. The one on the top I finished 1, 2, 3, and I have the last one to go. These trees are pretty dang intricate. Anyway, this is probably the most precise scroll saw thing I've done for 2 or 3 years, but it's kind of fun, and it looks cool when it's finished.